What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to yet another upload. Today's a big day. Today is the first modification on my 2018 Chevy Silverado truck build. What we're doing here today is a very simple and cheap modification to your vehicle. We're going to be wrapping these bow ties, front and rear, black on the trucks. One quick disclaimer before vinyl wrapping anything on your vehicle: you do want the outside ambient temperature to be at least 50 degrees or higher. Otherwise, the vinyl may not adhere really nicely to your vehicle. Today, we finally have a nice day in Pennsylvania. It's like 70 degrees, so I am good. Now, a couple of things that you're going to need to do this mod to your car or truck is, one, some kind of cleaner and a microfiber towel. I actually like to use a window cleaner, believe it or not. You want to wipe the surface clean of any kind of dirt and debris, because if you don't, you might not be able to get the vinyl to adhere really nicely. Number two, you definitely need some kind of vinyl. A lot of times I know you can order like a pre-cut vinyl decal or something like that. I actually have an entire roll, so I need some scissors as well so I could cut out my squares, and I'll show you how I do that. And then after that, after you apply the vinyl to your emblem or to whatever you're trying to vinyl wrap, I like to buy X-Acto knives. Now, if you don't have an X-Acto knife, you can buy them at Staples or Walmart or anywhere in the office supply section. They're like $5-6, definitely worth it. They're super sharp, allow you to cut or trim around whatever you just vinyl wrap to have a nice edge. Alright, the first step to doing this modification is to clean off your emblems really well. So take whatever kind of cleaner you have. I like to use a glass cleaner, and I want to clean this off really nice of any kind of debris or dirt, because if you don't, the vinyl might not stick too well. Okay, then if you didn't buy any kind of pre-cut vinyl, you do want to cut yourself out a nice square piece of vinyl that's going to cover the entire emblem. Once you do that, you can now peel and stick it on very nicely, like so. And then after you get the vinyl on there real nice and smooth with no air bubbles, you want to take your X-Acto knife and trim around the outside edge to make a nice cut. Now for the front. And just like that, we're done. Quick, easy mod, took like 10-15 minutes, only cost like $10 to $15. And we got the yellow Chevy bow ties, vinyl wrapped black. Now, I did my Sonic like this as well, the last Chevy that I had. The rear, it lasted all 5 years that I had the car. Never had to replace it. The front, I did have to replace the front maybe 2 or 3 times, just because like all the wind and stuff like that. And the rock damage, it does end up peeling and getting kind of scuffed up, so I might have to do the front again on this truck. I'm sure I will at some point, but honestly, looks better already. So please stay tuned. Later on this week, I am getting the windows tinted, so this 2 uploads this week, hell yeah. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. As always, please subscribe, follow the build. This is gonna be pretty cool. So that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll see you later on this week.